Hello. In this video, we will learn about the sort function in Excel.
Excel's sort function is a new dynamic array function which allows you to sort a range or an array in ascending or descending order. So let's look at the syntax. So you have sort, and then the first argument is array, that is basically range or the array you need to sort. And the sort index is the column index used in the sorting. So the default value is 1. For example, if you have 4 or 5 columns, then if you want to sort by the third column, you can use 3 as the sort index. And the default value is 1. And then we have the sort order. Sort order means whether you want ascending or descending order sort. So the default is 1, ascending, and the other option is descending -1. Then we have the fourth argument, by col. That means whether you want to sort by a column or a row. And it depends on the form of the data, whether it's in columns or rows. And the default value is false, where you sort by the row. If you want to sort by column, you have to change it to true. So let's look at some examples. So here we got some data or some products, the volumes, and then the price per unit. And let's say now we want to sort by product name in ascending order. We can write the function here, equals sort, and then I need to give the array. So here I want to return the product, volume, and price, all three of them. So I will select the whole range like this. If I only select the product range, it will only return the product. So I select everything and put a comma. Now it's asking for the sort index. So I want to sort by the first column. So I will give 1 as the sort index. And then it's asking me for the sort order. Do I want ascending or descending? So I want ascending. I will select 1. And the last option, whether I want to sort by column or row. Now here I want to sort by rows. So I will select false. And I can close the bracket, press enter. And my data is now sorted by product in ascending order. So P, C, D, F, I, so alphabetically in ascending order, the product names are sorted. I can also write a simpler formula to get the same results. I can just write the function equals sort, and I again select the whole range for the array, and I don't give any of the optional arguments. I don't need to give sort index because I'm going to sort by the first column. So by default, the sort index value is the first column. So I don't need to really put that. And at the sort order, what I want is ascending order. And the default sort order is ascending. So I need to not give that as well. And I want to sort by, not by column, by row. And for that, and the default value for that is also by row. So I need not give all three of these last optional arguments. Only the simple form of the function I can write here. So I can close the bracket and press enter. And I got same results. That is because I was using the default argument values. I need not give any of them. But it's a good practice to fill in the optional arguments as well, so that you know that you are using the correct argument options. So let's look at another situation where we want to sort by the first column in descending order instead of the ascending order. So you can write the function like this, equals sort. Again, I select the whole range because I want all of these columns to be there. And the sort index I can give 1 because I want to sort by the first column. And I need here in descending order. So I need to select -1. Then I have the products in descending order from B to B in alphabetical descending order. What if I want to sort by the second column instead of the first column in descending order? So that means I want to sort by volume. Volume is the second column. In a situation where I want to sort by volume in descending order, I can change the function the way I'm doing here. So let's look at how we can do it. Equals sort. Again, I will select the whole range like this. And now I want to sort by volume. So volume is the second column. So the sort index needs to be 2. So I will put 2 there. And then I want descending order. So -1 and close bracket. So I got it sorted by volume in descending order. So largest volume is at the top and the smallest volume is at the end. Now let's look at a situation where the data is in rows like this. Now let's look at an example where the data is now basically in different columns like this. Here we had it in rows like this. And here now we are having the data as columns for each of these products. So we got the product, the volume, and then the price. Let's look at how we can sort horizontally by column using values in row 1, and we want in descending order. So here I want to have the product names sorted in descending order. So I can write the function here equals sort. So I need to select the whole range here. Comma. Then the sort index is, I want to sort by the first row, the product. So I select 1 and I want it in descending order. I select -1 and now I need to sort it by columns. So I can select true and press enter. So my product names are now sorted in descending order, starting from V and ending in B. So that's descending order alphabetically. In this example over here, we want to sort by products in descending order and by price per unit in ascending order. So we want to basically sort by 2 fields. So still we can use the same sort function. Let's see how we can do that. So we start with the equal sort. And since I want all of the product volume and price columns, I will select the whole range like this. And now I have to give the sort index. So I want to sort by product in descending and price ascending. So product is column number 1 and price is column number 3. So I need to give both of these inside this sort index. The way to do that is I can start with a curly bracket. So I press a curly bracket because I'm going to give an array and give different values for sort index. The first one I need is 1 or the product, and then I can put a comma, and the second sort index is 3 or price per unit. So I can basically change the sequence. If I wanted the price per unit first, I can type 3 first. And if I want product after that, I can type 1 after that. Or if I want multiple columns, I can still include that, and I just need to give the sequence inside the curly brackets like 1, 2, 3 or whatever. And in this case, I'm just using first and third columns. So then I need to close the curly bracket. And I put a comma. Now I have to give the sort order. So the sort order also, since there are two columns I need to sort by, I can give the relevant sort orders for them in the same sequence. So first I need to give the sort order for one column, and then I need to give the sort order for the third column. Again, I need to use a curly bracket because I'm giving multiple values or array. So for product or the first column, I need descending order. So I can put -1. And then for price, I need ascending order. So I can put a +1. And I can then close the curly bracket and put a comma. Now I need to say whether I want to sort by column or row. So in this case, I want to sort by row. So I select false and close the bracket and press enter. So I got the results. So I wanted to first sort by product in descending order. So V is here and B is here. So alphabetically it's sorted in descending order by name. So the prices also seem to be in ascending order. But if you look at the source data, we have only one item per each of these products. So if you want to double check whether our sorting is okay, we can probably have a duplicate of the same product and then see whether the sorting is fine. So let's change this veggie burger to large fries. So we got 2 large fries items. And here, if you come here, we have large fries at the top and price per product. We wanted in ascending order. So the 2.5 is at the beginning and the higher 3.5 is after that. So within the same product, we can see the price per unit is in ascending order. So our function seems to be working correctly. So we have used duplicate products to verify whether the sorting is happening properly.
Thanks for watching.